Hi, my name is Melody, and welcome to Bake and Cook with Passion. I'm going to share with you my special recipe for zucchini cake. It is an easy carry and share, a bake and take. Bake it at home and take it with you to your very special event or even a special summer picnic. Coriander spice is my secret ingredient for this zucchini cake, and it also comes with a few healthy attributes. Add all your dry ingredients to a bowl and mix. Set it aside. We're going to come back to that later. Add the eggs to a mixing bowl and mix until light and fluffy. Add molasses and vanilla. Mix until well blended. Add the lemon zest and mix. This is another secret ingredient. With the mixer on low, gradually add the flour mixture just until blended. You don't want to overmix it. With a spatula, scrape the sides of the bowl and make sure that all the flour mix is incorporated. Fold in the zucchini and the nuts. Raisins are optional. I shredded the zucchini. I did not drain out all of the moisture from the zucchini because I wanted to keep some for the cake. Using coconut spray. You can also use parchment paper or your favorite technique. You can use this recipe to make a layered cake, but I'm going to use a 9x13 pan because it makes it easy to carry. It's a bake and take. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes, always checking at the earliest mark. Hey, ovens do vary. It will be done when the middle rises up. That's a little tip. The middle, not the edges, should spring to touch. That means if you touch in the middle, you should not see your finger mark. Now frost using my recipe for cream cheese frosting. If you haven't seen the video, check it out. This is the perfect combination for this delicious zucchini cake. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.